I'm Keith Becker. It's another beautiful but cold morning in Santa Rosa. Behind me is one of the houses that we have available for rent. On this beautiful but cold Santa Rosa morning, imagine, if you would, that you wake up outside on the steps of this house rather than inside, warm and safe. For more than 400 kids in our community, for thousands of people throughout our county, this is a reality. Santa Rosa, Sonoma County, has a terrible homelessness problem. And for our youth, it's especially dire. Last year, in the course of 36 hours, our community, Santa Rosa, lost 5,000 houses. Tubbs, Nuns, Presley, Atlas fires. They swept through our city. Here I am today in the middle of Coffey Park. And we are rebuilding. And we are coming back. And we are doing things differently. Last year at this time, Social Advocates for Youth had to make the difficult decision to cancel their annual fundraising campaign for One Cold Night. One Cold Night is an awareness and a fundraising effort to bring attention to our community's most at-risk youth. Social Advocates for Youth offers educational, employment, and housing arrangements for our most at-risk kids. I've been committed to this program as long as it's been in existence, and I'm committed to it once again. This is my offer, this is my request, this is my commitment. For every dollar I raise toward One Cold Night for this year's campaign, I will match it dollar for dollar. You give $1, I'll give $1. You give 100, I'll give 100. I'm gonna match campaign on contributions up to $5,000. You give 5,000, it becomes 10,000. One Cold Night, Social Advocates for Youth, is a critical component in our city's ability to take care of our most at-risk youth. Coffey Park is coming back. Our city is coming back. We are becoming bigger. We are becoming better. We are becoming wiser. One cold night doesn't have to be one cold winter. Together we rise.